Understanding the Basics of Personal Finance, the Ultimate Guide. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that affects all of us, personal finance. Whether you're just starting out in the workforce or you're nearing retirement, it's never too early or too late to start understanding the basics of personal finance. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Personal finance is all about managing your money, both in the short term and long term. And when it comes to managing your money, it's important to have a solid understanding of the basics. We'll be covering everything from budgeting to saving to investing, and everything in between. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation for managing your personal finances. Section 1. Budgeting. Let's start with the basics, budgeting. A budget is simply a plan for how you'll spend your money. It helps you keep track of your income and expenses and ensures that you're not spending more than you earn. In this section, we'll cover how to create a budget, how to track your expenses, and some tips for sticking to your budget. Section 2. Saving. Saving money is an essential part of personal finance. It's important to save for emergencies, for big purchases, and for your long-term goals like retirement. In this section, we'll talk about different types of savings accounts, how to set savings goals, and how to make saving a regular habit. Section 3. Managing debt. Debt can be a major burden on your personal finances, so it's important to know how to manage it. In this section, we'll cover the different types of debt, how to prioritize paying off debt, and how to avoid getting into debt in the first place. Section 4. Investing. Investing can help you grow your wealth over the long term. In this section, we'll cover the basics of investing, including how to choose investments, how to diversify your portfolio, and how to minimize your risk. Conclusion. And there you have it, the basics of personal finance. By understanding these key concepts, you'll be on your way to managing your money like a pro. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or additional tips, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.